Hi, this is Jackie Kiadii, Microsoft Certified Trainer. Today I'm going to teach you how to fill in the blanks with a value or a formula. And so just to summarize the steps, what you would do is click in the data set, use Go to Special to select all of your blanks, type in the item, and then hold down the Control key while you hit Enter. So in this scenario, we want to fill in any of these blanks that don't have dates. We want to fill it in with TBD, to be determined. So I'm going to click anywhere in my data set, hold down Control G, that's go to, click Special, click Blanks, click OK. Now all of my blanks are selected. And I'm going to type what I want to go in the blanks, which in this case is TBD, for to be determined. And then instead of hitting enter or tab, I hold down my control key while I hit enter. And that fills all the selected cells with whatever value I've just typed. I hope this was useful to you. If it was, please make a comment down below and let me know. Thanks for watching.